episode of Limon's Kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen. My channel Limon's Kitchen has reached 3,000 good subscribers. Congratulations to myself and congratulations to we all. Yes, I'm so excited to share with you how I made my pizza without oven. It's very simple and very easy, and I'm sure that after this video you are going to make your own pizza without oven. Yes, so guys, these are the ingredients needed. We have our plain flour, all-purpose flour, we have our sugar, we have our yeast, our salt, vegetable oil, and warm water. So guys, we'll be adding our dry ingredients to our mixing bowl. So now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. That's 1 tablespoon. That's the 1 sachet. We add 1 tablespoon of sugar. We will then add our warm water. After adding our warm water, you have to whisk it very well. After whisking it, you leave it for 3 minutes for it to activate. After you see that the yeast has been activated, you see some foaming on top of it. Then you add your salt to it. After adding your salt to the solution, you then gradually add your flour. Yes. After adding your all-purpose flour, then you whisk it again. You see, it's very easy. Pizza is so easy. You can make your homemade pizza. In this case, we are making this pizza with the oven, so watch out. So you have to you then add your 2 or more tablespoons of vegetable oil to your mixture. Then I prefer using my hand. I'll use my hand to mix it very well. After mixing it, you get your clean environment or your chopping board. Then you sprinkle a little flour on the board. You will start use your hand to mold it like the way we mold our bread. It's very simple and easy, and you're gonna love the outcome of this pizza. This is called pizza margherita. We have a types and a lot of pizza, and I'll make sure I'll get time and I'll give you all beautiful content. So you then mold it and cover it for about an hour and a half. Yes, I covered mine for an hour for the dough to rise up. You can cover it with your foil, your clean napkin, depending on what you want. You can also cover it with your ledge. But take note, before you want to cover it, you have to spread a little vegetable oil on the pizza to prevent it from sticking inside the bowl. Yes, I covered mine with my napkin. Yes. So I leave this for an hour. So I have to continue with my preparation of my pizza sauce. Oh my god. So I will then add in my chopped onions and leave it to simmer. These chopped onions and chopped garlic. So I'm leaving this to simmer for about 2 minutes. Then I added my chopped tomatoes. Yes, we are making our pizza sauce. Hope you guys are enjoying. Let's celebrate my 3,000 subscribers. It's not easy at all. I will then, after leaving it to simmer for about 5 minutes, you then add your blended tomatoes or tomato paste or tomato liquid tomato. Yeah. So I added mine, and I will cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. So first time I want to open it. Yes, oh my god. It's so delicious. It smells very good. So after stirring it, I will then go ahead and add some ingredients I have. The spice, I mean the local spice. So we're adding my pepper flakes. Yes, my pepper flakes. I'll give it a little stir. After adding the pepper flakes, I will go ahead and add my rosemary. Oh, this rosemary, it makes food so good and very good for your health also, because they are all natural herbs. It's really nice. After I'll give it a little stir. Oh my god, it smells so good. So good. Then I'll go ahead and add my 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yes. Then I'll add my salt to taste. Yes. It's ready. And this is how I made my pizza sauce. Very simple and easy. It's very yummy. Yes, let's get back to the dough. Yes, as we covered our dough for about an hour and a half, it has rise up. As you can see, you then go ahead and sprinkle more flour on the board. It's time for us to roll. I really enjoyed making this pizza. Oh my god, it looks so delicious. But please make sure your board or your chopping board, any kind of board that you are using, is clean. So you roll it so the flour or the dough becomes so tiny. Yeah, it shouldn't be heavy, it should be tiny because of the yeast. It's going to rise up. Yes, so you have to make it so tiny and stretchy. But before that, you have to grease your frying pan with flour, either flour or vegetable oil. Yes, we are done with our dough. So now we have to give it nice shape. We are modeling it. Then you'll be choking the pizza with your fork. Do you know why? You want radiation to pass through. Yes. So now we are going to spread our pizza sauce on our pizza. That's the sauce. You have to spread the pizza sauce on our pizza. This is so simple and easy to make. Trust me, so simple and easy. After spreading, you add your cheese. Yes, after adding your cheese, you can add your tono, any kind of vegetable. We have vegetable pizza, but this one is margarita, so I'm just adding my meat. Yes, if you want vegetable pizza, that's when you'll be adding your vegetables. But this one, making pizza margarita, so I just need my cheese and my meat. That's all. Wow, looks so attractive. Then you will take it to the fire. I've already turned the fire on, so you will cover it and leave it for about 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Even 5 minutes is even enough. 4 minutes, 5 minutes, your pizza will be ready. It's so simple and easy. Oh my god, it came out so perfect. Give it a try. Give it a try. It's so nice. It looks so yummy. Thank you guys for watching to an end. God bless you. Stay tuned. Keep supporting Limonzi Kitchen. Congratulations to us once again. Love you all. See you in my next video.